Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add link to TikTok bio. So this tutorial is for TikTok users and beginners who are just recently used TikTok and you want to add link to your TikTok bio. Okay, so let's just start by opening the TikTok app on our mobile. And then in here, what you need to do next is go to your profile. So if you want to add link into your TikTok bio, for example, like this, then you need to first switch your account into professional. If you haven't, you can just click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, go to the settings and privacy, tap on account, and here there will be this option switch to business account. So just tap on that, and in here you need to follow this process. You need to tap on next again. Okay, now you need to choose a category for your business account. So for example, in here I'm going to just go with let's say personal blog. You can tap on next again, and here this is optional. You can also add your email, but let's just skip this part. Now I've already have this business account, and now to add the link you can just click on this edit profile and scroll down. So as you guys can see, this will be this business informations. Now you can just tap on this actions buttons here, where you can add email, phone number, address, and app. So you can add add your app link by clicking on this. To add the link, you can need to go to the app and then tap on get started. Here click on the circle and by to continue the terms of service in the business account, click on get started. So here you need to fill in this business registration form. You need to fill in your business name, address, city, zip or postal code, phone number, business license if there's any, and this one website. So this is where you can add the link to your other social platform or your website, and you can just tap on next and follow the requirements to register your business on TikTok, and your link will be saved. And so that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.